Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find a spy app on your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Then scroll down and press on apps. Click on all apps. If you find any unknown app which you do not recognize, you can delete from here. That's it. So this is how to find a spy app on your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.